Well, I said I'd take some installation pictures, and unfortunately I didn't get around to it, but I have some when it's finished from the guys from Admore. 2020 Vstrom 1050 with some Kappa hard bags, and I've added the Admore lights. So there's the connection. There's the other side. And the other side, these are the large ones. The installation in the box, very easy. I've still got a silicone in the hole. Little extra long wires, but that's okay. And then underneath the seat, you can't see everything, unfortunately. I've tucked it all away. There's my electrical fuse block and panel. Everything's in there, tapped into the auxiliary light as per instructions. And that's it. So I'll show you what it looks like. Let's turn the lights off here. Okay. Unfortunately, I won't be able to cycle the brakes. There's the view from the rear, so definitely on the outmost edges. And while I was at it, I added better actual handguards and not Admore, just cheap Amazon LED band lights to the handguards with integrated turn signals. Let's put the, so you can see a little more visibility and quite bright here as well. And the brake lights are amazing. That's it. Thanks guys at Admore. Very quality stuff and great service, and made in Canada. Let's go riding.